Hey guys, Pepper in the Woods here, and today we're going to talk about the Alpine Stowaway Pot 775ml container. Right, so this container holds 26.2 fluid ounces. The weight is 13 ounces. Now, starting from the outside, is very well made, and the locking mechanism, if you can hear that nicely, is really strong. So the way they have it is they put it over the lid here, but what you can do is close it and just have it over like that.
What are you going to say?
Well, there's not much to go wrong here. It's a really simple lock. Just have a couple of bits there. It's nice. Once it's on there, as you can hear, there is no rattling. Nice secure lid, which means that you can fill this up with your cook kit and you know it will be secure. The handle, which is really long here, so this part here won't get as hot, so you can hold it once you're finished cooking on the fire with it. It is stainless steel, and once you are cooking with it, the lid will come off really easy. So if you want to stir it, add stuff to it, really easy to do. If you want, you can get a stick in there, lift it that way, and start cooking. So today I bought this for £18 from Cotswold, and I think it's a really good buy. Stainless steel, it's quite sturdy, like bomb-proof. So I'm going to use this for a couple of weeks now, and I'll put my cook kit into it. I'll make a bag for it so it doesn't get soot all over my bag, and I'll test it out and do a review on it later on again. But the hand, it's boiling water now. The handle, you know, it's not hot. It's fine. Yeah, it's just really nice. It was a good find for me, I think, because I'm trying to upgrade my cook kit. So, yeah, I'll give you an update later on about this. But just want to share that with you guys. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next video.